Hi, I'm 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 with the Wealth Redeemer Method, where I teach people how to access wealth without utilizing their cash, credit, or mortgages. And today I want to talk about, if you guys notice, I'm rebranding and I'm calling myself the Wealth Redeemer as opposed to leverage, which I feel like leverage is still like my educational like program, but I wanted to rebrand as Wealth Redeemer, and I wanted to kind of like go over what redeem means, and I wanted to read it to you because lately I've been feeling like, how can I create a business for like more purpose, and how can I make an impact with more influence, but more like purpose driven, right? And so at the end of the day, we all want to create more wealth. We all want to make more money. Some of us want to get out of debt. And so one of the things that I was honestly feeling a little discouraged because sometimes I feel like people pay for programs. Some people don't even open up the programs, or some people do my mastermind and then they don't show up to like the second week. And I'm like, God, like, what am I doing wrong? Like, how can I like help people like make a difference and make a change? And he gave me this, Redeemer, and I came up with Wealth Redeemer. And I just wanted to give you the meaning of redeem. And it says the word redeem means to gain or regain possession of something in exchange for payment, or to save someone from a difficult situation. And I chose this word on purpose because it's exactly what this business is. It's in both directions. Like, I'm helping somebody, I'm redeeming money, but I'm also helping redeem somebody that lost something. So I think this point in my life, I want to build a business and build a brand around something more purpose driven. And so I'm changing everything to Wealth Redeemer. And I'm like, this is like the redemption business, because I feel like what happens in this industry or this specific niche is that somebody has lost their home. Somebody has paid off a house, or they died, or they bought it at a tax deed sale, and they just couldn't afford to keep it. But they can also redeem for it. I would say 90% of the people, they don't even know that they're owed this money. And so I love to share this story, which actually pushed me forward, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, being an entrepreneur sometimes is rough, okay? I'm here to tell y'all, I was like, shoot, you want to test your faith? Be an entrepreneur. Because like I tell people, every day I wake up unemployed. Like, I don't have a paycheck coming every 2 weeks. Like I said, I think the beginning of this year, like, I planted a lot of seeds at the end of the year. I'm still waiting on my $200,000. Okay, y'all, I got a lot of seeds out there. But I say that all to say that you have to have purpose and passion behind what you're doing. Otherwise, you're going to fail at anything. You might come across this channel and be like, oh my God, this sounds amazing. But unless you have like passion or purpose or drive, I never forget, like, y'all, I just spent a lot of money on programs, okay? A lot. Like, I could have probably had like 3 PhDs by now, okay? As much money as I spent on education. And I used to always get so like pissed off when people would be like, what's your why? You got to write down your why. And I'd be like, what the fuck? Like, my why is I want to make money. That's why. But that is not enough. Okay, you guys, that is not enough. And so I say that all to say that what keeps me going is that I'm helping not only build wealth, but I'm also teaching people how to create wealth without having to work hard and give up their extra cash, their credit, all these different avenues of how people think that they should invest in real estate. This is the only niche where you literally got to spend at the most $20 to make $100,000. I ain't lying, and I'm here to tell y'all want to email, I can email y'all some receipts. And like I said, if you don't know, or if you haven't seen my videos, I've been in real estate for 20 years. I've done everything underneath the sun. So I'm tried, true, and tested, that I know that this business can actually transfer wealth for someone. This could change someone's life, not only for you if you're interested in getting in real estate, but you can also change someone's life or redeem something that they've lost. And I'll just tell you guys this story that it was it last year or the year before? I can't remember, y'all. But I literally was like, God, like, whew, this is like, I was just like, I'm just tired. Like, I don't want to teach, I'm tired of making these calls, or I'm tired of paying my employees that ain't even working. It was, just a lot. Like, just, being an entrepreneur, like I teach, I do these YouTubes, I build like a back end business. And then I actually do the business. I'm not like everybody else on here just talking and just shooting a breeze. I actually do the business. So a lot of times people get upset about me like not answering calls or emails or whatever. It's like, yeah, I have a set time for that, because like I'm running a whole business outside of this education business. I'm actually doing the business. So if you think about all of that and then trying to manage employees, it's a lot. And you kind of like ask yourself, okay, what the hell am I doing? Like, why am I doing this? And so I said that all to say that you got to have passion and purpose. So I'm rebranding as Wealth Redeemer because I really believe that you can create wealth through this without leveraging any of your personal assets and your hard-earned money. This is like the only thing that you could literally not have to keep a job to keep doing it. You see what I'm saying? I wouldn't say quit your day job just yet. Wait till you get a couple of checks first. But I know for me that I will always continue to do this business because it doesn't require a lot of leverage. It's just me literally, now that I fine tune this, like 20 to 30 hours a week, and I pretty much make six figures easy. And that's not including my classes that I teach. Okay. And that's like another thing. I used to be like, I don't want to teach these classes no more. But I had a student, and he like changed my whole trajectory, because God said, if I bless you over a few, I'll bless you with many. And I was grateful for that one student, because he changed my whole trajectory of me wanting to continue to teach. And then secondly, I was able to give somebody money that they didn't even know they had right before Christmas. And this person was crying on the phone. And you guys, it just touched my soul. Like, it was like God, like, speaking to me is like, this is why you do it. Like, don't get tired. And I just want to encourage you that if you want to be in this wealth redeeming business, that you can't give up, but you also got to have like passion and purpose behind it. So I'm saying that all to say, the reason why I am rebranding as the Wealth Redeemer, because I really believe that you can transfer wealth and you could become very wealthy in this business, because it doesn't require any upfront money from you. Like, literally, it doesn't. It just takes your time, your consistency, your passion, your purpose. And I always tell people, if you really have a drive to help people, it's almost like, I guess for me, you guys, I don't know if I could translate this to you, but because I've been in real estate and I've done every real estate niche, and some of y'all could feel me on this, like wholesaling. You're like calling people, convincing them, trying to get them to lower the house so that you could get a cut to wholesale to somebody else. You're constantly having to negotiate to like get people to buy into you, right? Like, you're trying to make deals. Like, even like with real estate, like I was a real estate agent, and I did investing too. Like, I had to, like, this one lady, I was like, okay, you're losing your house tomorrow. I'm about to give you 30 grand to get out your damn house so that I could save it, so that I could sell it for more. Like, you're always like encouraging for you to benefit. But in this business, it's a two-way street. Like, everybody wins. Okay. Because the person 9 times out of 10 don't even know the money's out there. And then, once you tell them, you get a cut and they get a cut, everybody's happy. And you're not having to convince anybody. You're not having to tell someone that you got to sell their house for less than it is so that you could make a profit. And so I just think back to like all my years of investing in real estate. It was always like a negotiation. There was always like, some sale. It was just fucking stressful. Even the fix and flips, y'all. Like, you got to negotiate with the contractors. You got to first find the deal and get it at the price so that you can fix it up to sell it at a certain price. It's always this will and dealing. But in this business, all you're doing is restoring wealth and redeeming people, and you're making something from it. And I don't know. It just, it's such a blessing to finally arrive at an investment opportunity that allows you to help other people while you help yourself. So just FYI, if you guys been watching my channel and you're learning more about excess proceeds, I used to be like I'm leveraged, but I'm rebranding to Wealth Redeemer because I really believe that you can redeem and restore people as well as redeem and restore your financial situation. Literally, you guys, I was like in debt from paying all them educations, because just like y'all that want to learn new stuff, I want to learn new stuff too, and I get in debt too. And I literally from this business have been able to get out of debt. And y'all, I mean, I've been in millions of dollars of debt, okay, because I used to like invest in real estate, so I had tons of debt. But now I just basically buy a lot of educational programs. And I was like, the last 5 years, I just be completely transparent. It's not a lot because like I said, I was like back in 2008, 2009, I was like over $1 million in debt, y'all. I had to file bankruptcy. That's a whole nother story. But this time I was like only $100,000 in debt, and I was able to pay off my debt, and I'm debt free now. So I just say that all to say that this is a business, or I call it the redemption business, but it's a two-way street. We're redeeming other people and restoring them, but we're also redeeming things for ourselves. So just FYI, that's why I'm calling this the redemption business, and I'm rebranding as Wealth Redeemer, because I really believe that you can create wealth and you can restore and redeem people that have lost their homes and they don't even know that there's money owed to them. And I mean, y'all, in this climate right now, that's probably why I'm really making a lot of money, because people were like, what? Okay, so like, how much money am I possibly going to get? And so people are honestly a little bit more open to receiving than just thinking it's a scam. And so anyway, I've had like a good last 2 years, and I think it's mostly last year was like one of my best years, probably too, because I was sitting down most of the time. Like I literally was serious about my business and actually working. But I've been able to sustain a living doing this without the stress of like leveraging and having to pay mortgage payments and, talk to contractors. Like, y'all, oh my gosh, like, I mean, real estate isn't for everybody, but this can really be for everybody. But I just think you have to have persistence and consistency. And I always just want to tell people that you can't give up. I did a video, like, if you look, my first 90 days when I first started this business, I wanted to give up. I thought this was a scam. I didn't even think this shit was real. But come to find out, it's legit. It's legit. I think the only thing I'm having problems with now is, really fine tuning. I honestly wish I could do a video on like when people would get paid. 'Cause like these counties are like, they be on some other stuff. And so there's no, there's no set time. Like I was just telling one of my students, I was like, I'm still waiting to claim. I'm still waiting to get paid on a claim that I filed in 2024. So I'm saying that all to say that's the only downside about, the wealth redeeming for some. But that is California, y'all, is that, you do have to it does take time. So I would just encourage you to go into states. Everybody probably knows this already because I've seen a lot of videos. Florida is one of the best states, but it just depends on the right county that you're working to get like some, cash flow in. But there is money out there to be made. There's over $3 billion, y'all. In these states, they're having auctions like every month. So there's no reason why you can't be one person to get one claim to change your life. So I'm going to encourage you, empower you. If you haven't signed up for my mastermind, or if you just get started, you don't even have to sign up for my mastermind. Just get started, look into it. I promise you it will change your life. And that's all I want to say. If this video was encouraging, inspired you, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you want to know more, and happy investing.